All right, guys. So you're welcome to this YouLearn AI review, which is the best AI tutor and the best AI for students. So in this video, I'm going to go over the features. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this AI tutor as a student. And by the way, if you're considering paying for their paid plan, there's currently a big discount going on. I think about 15 to 20% discount. So I'll drop the link to the discount in the description below along with the discount code. So what is this YouLearn AI about? Actually, it is this AI tool that allows students to learn. So you can upload your file. This could be a PDF, an ebook, or even a voice lecture. And with this tool, you can summarize your PDF, you can summarize the charts, the voice notes, and so on and so forth. So it's basically uploading it. Like there's a lot to do. So I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. All right, guys. So once you sign in with the link in the description below, which also give you access to the discount. So this is how the page will look like. So you can actually upload your file, your PDF file, or a YouTube video, or wherever you want to upload. You can also use a recording. If you have a voice record, it can also help you with that. So let me just use something that is already uploaded here. So let's say this is the PDF I want to work on. This is a complex PDF and I don't understand anything about it, and I need this YouLearn AI to help me break it down. So first things first, the first thing is, let's say there's a part of the PDF I don't understand. Let's scroll to anywhere. So let's say, for example, okay, so all right, guys, so let's say this part I don't understand. This part, this LMMS for synthetic labels. So all I have to do is to highlight. So the moment you highlight, you're going to see the option. If you want it to summarize this part for you, it can summarize. If you want to chat with this, maybe you want to ask this AI questions around this highlighted part, you can do it. And if you want to explain, so let's say I want to chat with it, I'm going to click on chat. Now it's asking me to ask anything. So let me ask it to explain the synthetic label. As you can see, guys, it is explaining the synthetic label that I asked it to explain. So that's exactly how to get it to explain any part of your PDF or any part of your upload that you don't understand. And if you want it to summarize it, all you have to do is to click on summarize. It's going to summarize. And if you want it to explain it better, so it's going to take the part that you highlighted and explain it really in depth for you. Another thing you can do is to create flashcards. So I can go back to it later. So it will be very easy for you to check out every flashcard that you created. So another thing you can do is to create a study guide. So basically, you can get it to ask you a question, then you answer it, then you click on submit, you save, and it's going to tell you if your answer is correct or not. So this is a very good way for you to practice. So another thing you can do is to get it to summarize the whole PDF for you in simpler English so that you can have a quick overview of everything in the PDF. So this is actually the best AI tutor I've actually seen so far among the ones that I've tested. So like I can say, you can test it for completely free. And the pay plan is actually worth it because it is very cheap. Plus, there's a discount going on right now that you can get using the link in the description below. So I hope you have fun with this too.